zvakaita vaMnangagwa zviya havana kana one mustreet kid wavanorova vaya akawa pasi. He is a weak man. So kana vachitaura kuti tichakurovai ngavazvizive kuti vari kutaura masoja kwete ivo. Don't confuse people who are afraid of the gun and people who are afraid of you. Those are two different things. Saka zvimwe zvese zvamunenge muchitaura izvi kuzvitaura because makawanda kuseri kwepfuti dzamunenge muchiziva kuti imi ndimi munadzo isi hatina. Ngatigovanei yake uone. And this is what people do not understand, that there are individual interests and then there are state interests. But the people who are pushing individual interests, they use state resources to attack individuals and they appear to be strong when they are weak. Chris Mchangwa uyoyo haana kana mukadzi waanorova uyoyo ari kumbaro kanotengesa madomasi every day. Anorohwa uya nemukadzi ari kumbari Chris Mchangwa.
So it's true kuti vakuru the reason why they are feared is because of the police, it's because of the CIO, it's because of the military, plus the judiciary, who they often use against other people, against the vulnerable and the weak people. So weakness in a country is not physical weakness. We are talking of systematic weakness, where these people, they are powerful and stronger systematically, but when it comes to physically, they are not powerful. So I think that is the honest truth. That is the reason why you see at the same level, if you put them together at the same level, they fear one another. That is the reason why they had to eliminate one another, because they feel that there are people who are capable at a certain level to challenge them, even to beat them. It happens. For example, if you look at people like General Mujuru, the reason why he was eliminated is because he was a powerful man of equal measure to these people, especially during the days of Robert Mugabe when Robert was the president and all these other people were the Kutus. You can actually see that General Mujuru, as a former military man, was commanding better respect than Vatina Baba in terms of power and whatsoever, which means they had to eliminate him so as to silence him. That alone is a clear indication and a clear testimony that these people are powerless when it comes to physical strength. Havana pafight chaipo vazhinji vanotovarowa muZimbabwe munomu pafight kunzi ngatimisidzanei tirovane, but kutemba hako kuti vanenge vane mabara kumashure kwavo. So in the absence of guns, then these people they are useless. They don't have any power. So they will use guns, they will use the judiciary, they will use the police, and when they are using the police, they will be arresting you, they will be beating you, they will be doing whatever which they can to force you into submission. So those are some of the critical issues which we need to note when it comes to the issues of power. So I agree with Apostle Chiwenga, and he's telling the truth. These people vakasimbira pamuromo sepinjis, kungotemba havo kuti vane masoja nezvimwe zvavanga vanazvo zvinotibvundudzira. But when it comes to other sources of power and strength, we can be of equal measure. Spiritually, we can even surpass them spiritually, because even a young person might possess a lot of power, spiritual power. It's very possible. But systematically, that is where they defeat us. So they must understand one thing, that power is temporary. You are powerful today, tomorrow you are not powerful. That is the reason why they have to do the right thing, because they will end up being in prison at a certain point in time in life. So power change hands, dramatically sometimes. And when the time is right, things will happen so fast that even the most wise won't be able to defend themselves or defend their own positions.